Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of algebra. Let's see how to solve this. So we are given with this equation and we need to find the value of this expression. So let's solve this equation first. And how we can solve this? We will be starting with cross multiplication. Okay. So let's cross multiply and solve this. If we cross multiply, we will get 3 under root x plus 20 plus 3 under root x minus 1 is equals to 7 under root x plus 20 minus 7 under root x minus 1. Okay. Now, if we solve this further, we will get 10 under root x minus 1. I will bring this term on the left hand side and I will take this term on the right hand side. So, we will get 4 under root x plus 20. Correct. Now, solving this further, what we can get, we can first of all, we can cancel these two terms. 2 times 2, 2 times 5, and we will get 5 under root x minus 1 is equals to 2 under root x plus 20. Now we can square both the sides and we will get 25 x minus 1, 4 x plus 20. Correct. Further, what we can do, we can simplify this. We will get 25x minus 25 is equals to 4x plus 80, which will give us 21x is equals to 105. That means x will turn out to be 5. X will turn out to be 5, but this is not a final answer. We need to find the value of the given expression x plus 20 times x minus 1. Correct. So instead of x, we will substitute 5. So this will become 25 times 5 minus 1 is 4. So what will be our final answer? Our final answer will be 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 will be the final answer. Is there any option like that? Yes, C option is the correct option.